Hey guys, Real JDM here. Today we are heading to Mustafa's Kebabs in Shepparton. I've brought along a second reviewer today, Jake, you saw in one of the previous videos of the drift event. But yeah, since I've moved up to this area, I have seen this place a lot and people have told me about this place a lot. So I figured I'm gonna give it a go today. So, Jake has no idea what he's in for. This place offers a drive-through.
What?
Yeah.
For a HSP place?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen that before.
So my auntie that lives in Port Pirie now, about 20 years ago she used to come here a lot.
Okay.
And they were big back then. So let's hope that they're still good and big now. But yeah, we'll cut to the travel part of the video and then we'll let you know when we get there.
Exempted, man, I've given up. Miles living on my train of thought, miles crashing, can't get your thought. No, not clean, but messy. Not the remedy, only Hennessy. Only tripping on my mind like it's Hennessy. Gotta have that patience, it's that virtue. Yeah, I heard her, yeah, I saw her, and she rocking all that shit. Shit, she stunning. How she looks so fine. No shit, she running round my mind all the fucking time. Gotta get her out, gotta erase, gotta get my pace. My back pocket, get an ace, can't throw back in this place.
So we have arrived.
Yeah.
A very nice view at the moment. It was an old Macca's or an old Hungry Jack's back in the day.
It looks like it.
Yeah. So yeah, we've arrived. We're gonna go in and order, and I will record as much as I can inside because I think this is the first site it had. It's a very good looking HSP. Very good looking HSP. It's probably the best we've come across. Alright, the good thing about this shop is mixed HSPs was not an issue at all. This place offers chicken salt on their HSPs, which I haven't noticed the difference yet, but it's very strange.
Yep, I've never seen that before.
No.
Service was okay. She was a little bit
Service was,
okay.
for a franchise, it's expected.
She was perfectly
okay. Nothing
perfectly
over the,
okay.
Nothing over
I was
the
gonna
top.
say pleasant, but it wasn't really pleasant. She just wanted to get the job done, and I appreciate that. No mucking around. She just wanted to take her order and go cook the food. And okay, sure,
Yeah.
no worries. But it wasn't personable at all.
No.
I didn't feel like I was wanted.
I'm gonna give the service a 6 out of 10. I know that sounds harsh, but then again, what there was better
I see it.
about
I see it.
There was nothing there.
Anywhere between a 6 and a 6.5 is
Yeah. So I'm gonna go with a 6.
yeah.
Pricing,
I mean, okay, but they gave it to us pretty bloody quick.
they did.
That was maybe 3 minutes we waited. 4 minutes.
Yeah, it was fast.
I go a 7.
Nah, I'm still keeping it at
I
6.
go a 7.
It was great in pace, but doesn't make up for the service, like the physical, like the interaction.
The greeting
Yeah.
or lack thereof. Yeah,
So 6 out of 10. Location, honestly,
it's pretty good.
it's pretty good.
It looks very pleasant out here. Very
I
nice.
would give it a 10 out of 10 for
The
location.
garden is very well maintained.
Yeah, very well maintained area. Right
The shop inside was good.
Right next to a McDonald's. Beautiful presenting shop.
Yeah.
It does have 2 locations, so this review is just for this location. But 10 out of 10 for location. Pricing,
Bit on the expensive side.
bit on the expensive side. I'll justify the pricing after I finish the rest of my food. Pricing of the food, I'm gonna go for a solid 3 out of 10.
For a fast food, it's too expensive.
Yeah. Like
because-
McDonald's is right next door. You could walk out with a large quarter pounder meal for $18
Yeah.
with a drink.
Yeah. I think pricing is really good once it's under $20. In between 20 25, okay, I understand it. Over 25, it's like,
Yeah.
come on, man.
And that has to be including with a drink too, to be honest. Now the food. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't finish my chips. I'm not sure if that's because before the other reviews I didn't eat anything. And today I had dim sims and chicken strips, which is just a very healthy day.
Oh, man.
So the chips, the meat was absolutely great. The meat and the sauces, beautiful. But the chips,
The chips weren't good.
The chips weren't good.
The salt, I think they forgot my salt. But
The chicken salt was definitely an assist, but I feel like they offered the chicken salt
because the chips are so
because
bad.
The chips are shit.
The chips are just terrible. It's yeah.
So for the food, I'm honestly struggling because I gave Mount
In
Buck.
fact, yeah, in the meat and the sauce, it was good.
Yeah,
I wouldn't go out of my way to come here.
no. I would go back to Warrnambool for $17.
It's an expensive night.
I'm gonna go a 5 out of 10
For
for the food
5 out of 10.
because look, if it was a kebab, I feel like this place would have great kebabs.
Everything was just meh.
This place for a HSP, not great.
Yeah. Sadly, the chips make up half your meal in HSP, so yeah, the chips take it all away.
Yeah, but the meat was fantastic. If you want to give Mustafa's Kebabs a try for a kebab, I probably would say they'd be pretty good.
Yeah.
I haven't tried it. I'm not going to because this is HSP reviews, not kebab reviews. For Mustafa's Kebabs for HSP, 5 out of 10. All right, so overall, 6 out of 10, which is lower than both Mount Barker and Warrnambool. I also didn't like the fact that they don't offer Red Bull.
You shouldn't be drinking Red Bull anyway.
So usually I get HSP with a Red Bull, as you know from previous videos. The Coke No Sugar is a good second option. Jake also mentioned that there's a lot of bins there, like outside of the shop.
Yeah. Bin on every corner. Every like 6 car spaces, there was another bin.
Yeah.
And it's like that's really handy, really nice to see.
Yep. So taking care of the environment.
Yep.
And also this place had a drive-through as well,
Yeah.
which was fairly impressive. So I'm not going to change the score, but I'm just going to give that a mention.
Honorable mention.
An honorable mention. The place is very cool. Location, that's why it got a 10 out of 10 for location, because it is a very, very cool location.
Yeah.
And going forward, that's going to be hard to top. All right, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.